Hey guys, what's up? I'm Van, and this is my channel, Van the Man. I'm going to show you something really cool today. I'm going to show you how I get these bonuses, and then I'm going to show you how I unlock them. So for all intents and purposes, I have it favorited. You're going to go in here. There's 3 different tournaments. There's a slot machine tournament, a roulette tournament, and a blackjack tournament. Now, as you can see, this is the website I'm using. There will be a link down below. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Also, if you find any value in this, please subscribe to my channel and like, comment, and if you find other people that might enjoy this, then you can share it, and that would be great. We're going to turn the volume down, because we don't need it that high. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to hit $25 bets. Now our goal is to get over $350 in bonus money. If we don't do it, that's okay, because these are free tournaments. Really what we're looking here is for a bonus. You need 5 of these bonus letters in order to get the bonus. It'd be pretty cool if I could show you guys what that looks like. But again, it's not going to be devastating if we lose it, because this is a free bonus. It doesn't look like we're going to get it. Oh. Okay, we got a bonus, but it's at $1, so we're most likely not going to win $350 in bonus money. Unless we get like the mega spins and do really well. No, we didn't. It's probably going to be like 30, 40 bucks. But if you got this bonus at $25, obviously this would be a lot more money. We'll just hit no, no, it doesn't really matter. We got $5. And then we're gonna go up and hopefully get the $4 bonus. No. And we didn't get anything, which is okay, like I said. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play this one. And you just do this every day. These are free tournaments. As long as you deposit at least $20 a month, you get access to these bonuses. Please. So this is personally what I do. Again, 19. You're just trying to make more than the initial amount, which was $250.
20. Blackjack.
Alright, so we're going to rebat. Double bat, deal.
13.
Now we might not make anything here either, but
14. 18.
If you do this every day, eventually you're gonna get them. And that was really unlucky. So now we're gonna go into roulette, and we, like I said, we just keep doing this. We do all the tournaments every day. I'm not bent out of shape about the ones that I win or the ones that I lose, because I do them every day. So, with this one, I just bet here, and then we're going to try again. 75. Okay, so we caught a break. Alright, so you can see we're in 61st place out of 5,000 people. Now what we're going to do is we're going to come here, and we're just going to make sure throughout the day that we stay above 100. We don't want to get like 101st place, because the only ones that pay out on this tournament at this time is 100 places. It's a $5,000 tournament, and this is what your bonus is going to be, is $30. So now you're probably wondering, okay, well now what? What happens when I place and it wins? It takes 24 to 48 hours typically to get the bonus awarded to you, and it will be here in your casino bonuses. As you can see, all of these right here were awarded today, aside from this one. It was on the 15th. And I left like 50 cents in here just to show you guys that I got really close. Usually I can get right around like anywhere from 60 to 75% if I don't unlock the bonus. So what you have to do is you have to roll the bonus over. It's a $40 bonus, so for this one you have to roll it over $2,000 worth. So they only give you $40 worth, and then you have to pick a game, a slot machine or roulette or blackjack, and try and get that money, spend it to $2,000. Now, they're only going to award you double whatever your bonus is. So if you have $80 left over when you roll this over, then you're gonna get the $80. But if you have $1 million, for instance, or $1,000, you're still only gonna get $80 of the bonus. Now, typically these bonuses, the way that I do them, take an hour to do. I'm gonna show you right here. This is the game that I really like for slot machines. Slot machines is 100% rollover requirement. So every dollar spent goes towards your rollover amount. You can see that I'm easily going to get it. I have over $278 is what I had. And I only need to have 80 in order to roll it over. But for all intents and purposes, I'm just going to show you what I do and how I do it, so that you can replicate the system and make this money yourself. Now, this system might not work for everybody. It's just something that I found that works for me. So basically what you're doing here is you're buying the bonus for the minimum amount, which is $50. So I started with $40. Well, I had to get up to $50 in order to get the bonus, and I'll show you how I do that next. Okay, so I won 45. So now we're less than $50 away. I think, yeah, we're like at $48 or $47.80. So now what we're gonna do is, let's say that we didn't get very much money, or we need the money to roll it over. What we do is I go into European roulette. This is a single zero roulette. Okay, we're at let's just say $23.60. Okay, this is what I do. If I get that amount, I literally just bet $1, and then I repeat it if I win, and if I don't win, I triple the bet, so that I'm still making $1 every time it hits. Now repeat, and then double. So that's triple. So I went from $2 to $6, 3 on each. Okay, and just keep doing that, and our goal is to get to the $50 mark. So since we started at 23, well, that was our idea. We need to get to 300 from this amount that we have. Repeat, double, and this is literally all that I do until I get to the $50 mark. Okay, do it again. Repeat, double. Now I'm going to show you what I do when I don't hit. So if you don't hit for 2 times in a row, like this, okay, we got 36 twice. Now we have $19 to play with, so we're gonna double it. $17, $18, $19. Okay, now basically we're putting it all on the line. You have to have at least $18. So 18 plus 2, 20. So you have to have $26 in order to do this strategy 3 times. Now if you don't have $26 in your bonus amount, you're just going to do this system twice. You're going to bet $2, and then on the next spin you're going to split the remaining amount between the two. And we didn't get it, so then we would have lost our bonus. Now if we got that there, then we would continue to go until we got to our $50 mark. But now I'm going to show you what happens, what it looks like when you unlock it. All we need to do is spend $50 here. And you can see that we're at $203 even. Now if you look here, it says 50 cents. This is only going to go up to $80.50 because we can only win double what the bonus is. Some people might say, oh, that's unfair, that's not right, blah blah blah. Well, you know, it's free money and the casino doesn't want to lose a bunch of money. So this is a 50 times rollover. Like, it's incredible. Typically when I first started this, it was incredibly hard. I was getting like no bonuses awarded, but now I get them all the time, and this is the system that I use to do it. So $80 in under an hour. I started just right around noon. So it's 12:48 on February 17th today, and yeah, 48 minutes to win $80. Like, I'd say that's pretty good money. It's worth it to me. So again, if you guys like this, please subscribe so that I can share more content like this. Please like this video, and if you could comment below anything that you enjoyed or what you've learned. Maybe you guys have tried this bonus in the past and it's worked out for you, or maybe not. Maybe there's other insane rollover requirements that you want me to try out on other sites, or whatever it may be. I personally really like this website. It's paid pretty well. I typically average between like $320 and $500 extra a week just by doing this system and this method. So again, there's probably a lot of like YouTubers or other people out there that could charge for this. I'm personally not charging because I want to show you guys value and something that I think that everybody should know about and take advantage of. So again, hope you find value in this, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks. Van the Man out.